Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your cabin air filter. This is a straightforward task that typically takes only about 15 minutes to complete. By doing it yourself, you can significantly improve the air quality inside your vehicle and ensure optimal airflow from your vents, all while saving some money. It's generally recommended to replace your cabin air filter every 15,000 miles or at least once a year for best results. First, open your passenger side glove box and remove everything inside to prevent items from falling out. Next, look on the right side for a small dampener arm. Gently pull it off its attachment point. Now, with both hands, carefully push inward on the sides of the glove box. This action will release the two plastic stops, allowing the glove box to swing down fully and reveal the filter housing behind it. Once the glove box is lowered, you will see a rectangular plastic cover, which is the cabin air filter housing. There are usually two small clips on the sides. Pinch these to release and remove the cover. Now, carefully slide out the old, often dirty, cabin air filter from its tray. Before inserting your new filter, observe the airflow arrow on the old one. Ensure the new filter's arrow points in the same direction, typically upwards for original equipment filters. With the new filter in place, slide the tray back into the housing until it's fully seated. Then, reattach the filter housing cover, pressing firmly until both clips snap securely into position. To reinstall the glove box, align its lower hinges with their slots and push it upwards until the side stops re-engage. Finally, reconnect the dampener arm on the right side. Close the glove box and you're all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.